Hello viewers, welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to be trying some problems on indices. We are to simplify this very equation using indices. First and foremost, indices is what deals with number of same base, but 3, 27 and 81 are not the same base. But that will not be a problem because there's a way out. 27 we can make it to base 3, likewise 81. So how can we do that? We can rewrite 27 as 3 times 3 times 3, and that will be the same thing as 3 to 1 to 3, 3 to the power of 3. So how do we come about that? We divide 27, we'll have 27 by 3, we'll have 9. And when we divide 9 by 3, we'll also have 3. And 3 again divided by 3 will be 1. That will make it easier. But simply, 27 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 to the power of 4. So we can go ahead to rewrite 27 as 3 to the power of 3, 81 as 3 to the power of 4. This would be 3 to the power of m minus 1 times, instead of 27 will now be 3 to the power of 3, all in bracket m plus 1, then 3 to the power of 4, all in bracket to the power of m. And our law that says when we are having our base to have more than one power, we multiply the powers. So we'll have 3 times m, which will be 3m, then 3 times 1 will be what? 3, all divided by 3. 4 times m will be 4m. Okay, then we can also rewrite this as 3 to the power of m minus 1 times 3 to the power of 3m plus 3, then times 1 all over 3 to the power of 4m. And recall that when we are having 1 to the power of a square, or any number is the same thing as a to the power of negative 2. So 3m to the power of m minus 1 times 3m plus 3 times this now will be 3 to the power of negative minus 4, because this 1 divided by is the minus power sign. So we can now use the multiplicational law, which we are all having same base. What do we do to the powers? We add up the powers. So we're going to pick 3 now, then m minus 1 plus 3m plus 3, then plus times minus is still minus, so we'll have minus 4m. We can keep the power aside, then deal with only the powers, but because we are concentrating in knowing what is m, or we can rearrange the power, we'll have m plus 3m minus 4m, then minus 1 plus 3. M plus m is 4m, and minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So 4m minus 4m is 0. So our solution will now be 3 to the power of 2, which is the same thing as 3 times 3, and which is the same thing as 9. This is also another example. If 2 to the power of n is equal to y, then we have to find 2 to open bracket 2 plus n over 3. So let's use this to find the problem. 2 to open bracket 2 plus n to the power of 3, which this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of n over 3 from the multiplicational law, where it says when we are having the same base, we simply pick one of the base, then add up the powers, which this can also be put as 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of n to the power of 1 all over 3, where our base is having more than one power. We multiply, which is n times 1 all over 3, which is the same thing as n all over 3. N times 1 is n, then 1 times 3 is 3. From here we'll have 2 to the power of 2 times, recall that 2 to the power of n is equal to y, so we are putting y equal to 2 to the power of n. So this will now be what? Y to the power of 1 all over 3, where 2 to power 2 is 2 times 2, which is 4. So we'll have this as 4y to the power of 1 all over 3. This is our final answer. Don't forget, if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. You can also share with friends in order to make this channel grow, and also encourage me to do more videos and give it more qualities. Thank you.